Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this healthy carrot bar at home. So if you're the type that love to snack and you want to keep it healthy, watch this video to the end. So I'm starting out with chopped carrots. I added it in my food processor. I went in with my dates and then I went in, started adding my nuts. You can add as much nuts as you want. Then I added 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and then I add 1 cup of oat. So next, I'm going to close the food processor and then blend it until I get the texture I really wanted. One thing about homemade food is that you get to make it the way you want it. So guys, at this point, I think it is okay for me to stop blending it. So guys, if you're going to be trying this recipe, blend it bit by bit. Don't put them all at a go because it really took me time to get to this texture I really wanted. And then I didn't add anything on it. I didn't add water or egg. So next, I'm going to pour it into my baking pan and then mash them together. Honestly, this is really good for weight loss journey. If you are planning to kickstart your weight loss journey, I think this snack is one of the best snack you can do from your kitchen. You can also purchase it in the shop, but for me, I prefer making such bars from my home. So guys, I'm going to put it in the baking pan and then I'll begin to match it until it becomes very smooth. This carrot bars is very easy to make from your kitchen. It doesn't take time and it's very healthy for mothers. Mothers with baby up to 1 year and 1 year plus that are still learning how to eat. This bars is healthy for them. If you can do it from your kitchen, why purchase it in the market? So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to match it to make sure they stick together. So when I want to cut it, it's going to come out nice. So once I'm done, I'm going to put it in the oven and allow it to bake for 20 minutes. So after which, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. So next, I'm just going to use my knife to cut it into the sizes of bars I want it to be. It really came out nice. I didn't add egg or water on this recipe, guys. This recipe is one of the best I've ever tried on this platform. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you are going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. This is a healthy snack for kids, mothers with little children. Instead of you wasting your money buying these bars in the shop for your children, why not try making it at home? It didn't take me more than 5 minutes to come up with this. You can also try it and save a lot of money. You know, getting snacks for your kids in the market these days can be very expensive. Why not try homemade stuff and save a lot of money? So guys, this is how beautiful it looks. It really came out nice. No different with the ones I used to buy in the shop. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you're going to be trying this at home, let me know. See you all on my next one. Bye!